Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Pink, and today's topic is horizontal pentatonic tricks. So what is that? I'm gonna show you in an instant, but before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, join me new on Telegram, HPCrazy is there too, and that's gonna be different content there, really cool stuff. And so, let's get started. Horizontal pentatonic tricks, that's what I'm talking about. You already saw it. Horizontal pentatonic tricks means most of you play pentatonics this way, which is of course cool. I also do that. I had nothing to say against this, but if you want to create a different sound, then this is one part with pentatonics, and this is one really cool possibility. And really, it just jumps out the normal stuff which you play like this. So let's get started. I'm going to show you a few real cool tricks. Alright guys, before we start with all this, you first need to learn the pentatonics in a horizontal way. We're doing A minor pentatonics. So we are here root position. And the most common positions where I use it is on the high E string, on the B string, and probably on the G string as well. So we learn the pentatonics now on the E string. That will be 0, 3, 5. Here's the root note. It's important to know as orientation. Then we are in 8, 10, 12. And also probably here 15 and 17. The most common place I use is on the high E string, so it makes sense to know it on the whole fretboard. Even here in the, oh god, what is this? Wait, 10, 12, 15, 17, 20th fret. See, I don't even know the numbers by heart up here. So first exercise you can do is just play it like this. And with this fingering probably. Then stop on the root note. That will be on the high E string. B string, we start here. First fret, third fret, fifth fret, 8, 10, 13, 15, 17, 20, 22. So, same thing. That one probably not till the high position, because then we go in the maximum high position. Let's just keep it on these two strings. Maybe that the G string is too much for today. Now, first of all, you just need to be able to play the pentatonics on one string. Next. I just went to the root note and not higher, just to have a limit on this. That's the first exercise. Second exercise is always skip one. So, but now you slide up. So you attack the first, then slide up in the next position. I don't know how you call it in English. Die Übernächste. The Übernächste, that's in Swiss German. So slide up here, back, slide up, attack, slide up, attack here, slide up. and down the opposite. Same on the E string. I'm gonna tab it up for you, and the tabs will be available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy for the premium members. But you can also find out your way. Just check it out. But if you want the tabs, yeah, they're there. So that's why I do it a little bit faster to skip some time. So 0, 5, 3, 8, 5, 10. Same method. And back. You can do it with one finger, or take one finger. Here's open. Ring. Now, when you slide up, take another finger. Like index and ring finger work best. And down the same. Yeah. Good. Now let's try to do it with the backing track. Just play it and see how this exercise really works. And that will be the next trick. That's also a nice trick. You attack and then slide up from the, again, you skip one position, just slide directly up. See? Or down. And then one question might be, why just not do just only one position? Of course that works, but then you don't have this great string skipping effect, like with the big intervals. That always sounds cool. You can also skip two positions. The better you know the positions here, the more you can really skip. Or down. You can do it with one finger if you want, as you like, what works best for you. And what is also a cool trick is if you make slight pinch harmonics, then it highlights the whole thing even more. So let's check this sound. Kind of a Steve Vai effect, because Steve Vai also often uses pinch harmonic on the high strings, which is a great effect and highlights the high notes. That of course needs more expertise, but it's really a cool effect and it's not really so hard to play. So yeah, so these are two main tricks which you can do. What I also love to do, like playing on one string, this is now more advanced stuff, but still consider and try it, like this lick here. What did I do? I take the open string. I often do the open string and then hammer on just legato, one position, that will be here, 5, 8. And then slide in a higher position in the pentatonic. You can do this. It's really cool. See how this, and in this case, with the open B string is the wrong note, it's not in a pentatonic, but it doesn't really matter because you don't hear it afterwards. It's a really cool effect, especially when you play with high distortion. This is also a great trick, I forgot to mention this, that you just attack the first and then just move up in the described movement, always skip one, but without attacking anymore. See my picking here? Just by moving and getting this effect. And that sounds really cool. Let's try with the high gain sound. This was a medium gain. With high gain, the harmonics come even stronger. Yeah, folks, that was sounding different with pentatonics by just using pentatonics the horizontal way, horizontal pentatonic playing. That's, I don't, yeah, let's create this expression here. I don't know if it exists, but I would call it this. And really, it enlarges your sound spectrum a lot. I mean, I'm coming from piano playing. For me, horizontal playing, that means this way and not this way. Guitar players often play this way, you know, down because the patterns, same patterns. But I'm used to play this way because I'm a piano player. By the way, I have to play jazz piano this night somewhere. Yeah, that's why I do the tutorial now in the morning. I really need to get up early today. But let's skip this. As I said, horizontal playing enlarges your sound. It doesn't mean it has to be fast. It just means you can also make it really simple. And the only problem, it's not a technical problem, there's only one problem, that you know the position and you can slide, that you hit the right note. Okay, that was another note. You can also, of course, do it with scales. But for today, we just do pentatonics. Yeah. Good. What more to say about this? You can download the tabs and the backing track in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a premium membership. Join there, upgrade, and support the channel here. Also subscribe on Telegram. I have a Telegram channel now new. I'm going to do additional content there. It's going to be fun. And follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Spotify. Yeah, that's about this. Follow me on Google. And that's now the end. I'm going to play. I'm going to get wild a little bit with this track here. See how it can really works and enlarges your sound. Beside the normal playing. I did at the end before. Play normal stuff and then get into this. And this enlarges your sound. And that's what it's all about. So, Dr. Pink, are you ready for this experience? Yeah, so let's get started with this.